united in love, healing the rift between African and African American hearts. My brothers and sisters, what tragedy has caused our sisters and brothers to war among themselves? On TikTok and social media, African Americans were heard saying that Africans in the diaspora were disrespecting spaces they fought hard to create. Accusations and hurt flew, derogatory remarks, threats of boycotts, retaliations, pain. Yet beneath this social war, one truth remains. We are kin. We bleed the same ancestral blood, breathe the same dreams, and inherit the same promise. Brothers and sisters, for the past 2 months, we watched in heartbreak as tensions flared between African Americans on one side and Africans in the diaspora and on the continent on the other. African Americans accused diaspora Africans of encroaching on spaces carved out by Black struggle. TikTok became a battleground. Videos laced with contempt, inflammatory remarks, counterattacks, name-calling, insults. Social media exploded with stories of division. Yet quickly, God's mercy began to pour through. The intensity has subsided, but the wounds remain. Let us remember the timeless invitation from Scripture. Come, let us reason together. Have we forgotten, African Americans and Africans alike, that we are brothers and sisters? This conflict was uncalled for. No grievance justifies tearing apart the very family that shared ancestors endured horrors together. Storms of the Middle Passage, slavery, colonization, pain. Our ancestors were not enemies. They were kin, sisters, brothers, uncles, aunties whose blood now courses through our veins. I urge you, visit the poignant sites of Badagry in Lagos or Cape Coast in Ghana. See the cruel structures built to dehumanize and enslave our people. If the dead could speak, they would lament seeing their descendants, so bound in heritage, now pitted against each other in hatred. 10 of my own relatives were torn from Nigeria and shipped to South America. Some of those African Americans in conflict with Africans in the diaspora might well be our own relations, bound by blood and history. Yet here we stand, divided by hurt, blinded by anger, forgetting our shared legacy of survival and resilience. It is time to stop. Let love prevail. Let tolerance rise. Let forgiveness flow. The devil seeks to divide us through insults and social media flames, but we must starve that hatred. Embrace peace. Offer your hand. Speak healing, not retaliation. We, in Africa as a whole, and Nigeria in particular, love deeply the African Americans. And we love you, African Americans, even more, for the paths you've walked under oppression and the dreams you pursue with courage. It saddens me that many allowed the devil to sow discord, but today we reclaim unity. Let the love and peace of God bridge this rift. Let us stand together, healed and stronger. Please share this message. Let's push back against division and shame our common enemy. Love must overcome hate. Let's lovingly remind the world, God bless the Black race, God bless Africa, and God bless African Americans. Closing, may our brothers and sisters see not strangers, but family. May our hearts kneel and love rise in every home. In the symphony of our shared story, may harmony replace discord, because together we are whole again.